Hello, children. I once again welcome you back to your EVS class. We were going through chapter 6 clothes, in which we have studied that we wear clothes to cover our body and it also protects us from heat, cold, rain, and insect bites. And we have also studied about different types of clothes which depends on weather, occasion, and the work we do. We have studied that in different season we wear different clothes, like in winters we wear woolen clothes, in rainy season we wear raincoats and gumboots and waterproof materials, and in summer season we wear cotton clothes. Now today we will start a topic clothes in different places. So children, in different places also different people wear different types of clothes. Okay, that is their traditional clothes. People in different parts of India wear different kinds of clothes. Look at the pictures. These people are wearing colorful clothes from various parts of India. These clothes are called traditional clothes. So, here, children, in page number 30, you can see some people from different states are there, those who are wearing different types of clothes. That is their traditional clothes. You can find out these pictures at different places in different books also. Just see the first one. The clothes worn by them is worn in the people in Rajasthan. Okay. And in the second picture, you can see they are wearing the clothes which are being worn by common people in West Bengal. The third picture is the traditional dress of Kerala. And the fourth one is of Maharashtra. The fifth one is of Punjab, and the last one is of Jammu and Kashmir. So, children, you know that in India we have traditional clothes, and in different countries also they have different types of clothes. Their wearings are different, and you can find it, you can explore it. Okay, now then there are some special occasions when we wear special clothes or traditional clothes. Many festivals are there in which we wear traditional clothes. Okay, even weddings and special functions also. Now, children, nowadays, especially in cities, people often wear comfortable and light clothes every day, and they wear traditional clothes only on special occasions. So, it is very clear, you see yourself, children, you wear common clothes every day. Like you wear light clothes, comfortable clothes in your everyday life, but on special occasions, either it is birthday or wedding or any sort of parties there, that time you wear some special clothes. Okay, now let's move to our next topic, clothes and work. So some people wear special type of clothes to work. They are called uniforms. We can understand the work a person does by looking at his or her uniform. School children also wear uniforms to school. Now, children, you know that different people they wear different types of clothes, like you have seen a postman always wearing a particular dress, then a pilot is having a special cloth, policemen they also have a special type of cloth, firemen they have a special type of cloth. And look at yourself, you are a school student, you have a special uniform. So these special clothes worn by special people, this is known as uniform. Okay, so special people, or you can say a person who does some special work, wear a particular dress, that is known as uniform. Okay, look at the pictures below and name the kind of work these people do. In the first picture, you can see, children, what is it? Yes, from the uniform itself, it is clear that that person is a doctor. And now the next one, just have a look and now try to recognize who used to wear this type of uniform? Yes, you are exactly correct. She is a nurse. A nurse wear this type of uniform. Now see the third picture. What can you see, children? Yes, this uniform is worn by a pilot. And the fourth one, you might be knowing it very well. Yes, it is very clear. You have seen cooking in the kitchen. Yes, who are they? They are chef. Okay, so children, do this part in your book, learn the spellings, read the chapter. This much for today, children. Next day we will start up with the new topic. Okay, take care. Thank you.